Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Swapnali. For those of y'all who are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Swapnali and welcome to Arali. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple, effective facial mist which you all can make at home. Keep in mind there are no preservatives that we are using in this particular formulation, right? Which is why you can't make a lot. You have to make it in smaller amounts. It can stay up to 4 to 5 days in your fridge, but okay, so this facial mist has to be kept in the fridge. You can't keep it outside because, like I said, there are no preservatives. If you add the preservative, you can keep this out for a good like 5-6 months. So it's very simple. The first thing you'll need is a pump, like a spray bottle. Okay, now this just had water in it, and this bottle I got from Miniso. This is the Miniso clear spray bottle. I hope it's visible on camera, but yeah, I got this from Miniso. Then here in this glass, also guys, I think y'all just saw my cat. Her name is Miri. If y'all just saw her, and you might be seeing her again and again, because cats, if y'all know anything, they just like are all over the place. This is just some water, your normal RO water, Bisleri water, whatever, just your normal purified water. And you need some sort of a serum. Okay, so here I have this one from Minimalist, which is AHA, PHA and BHA. So 25% AHA, 5% PHA and 2% BHA serum. This is quite strong. So I made my own serum, which is much more lightweight and much more like lesser ingredients and stuff. But yeah, I think mine works better, at least for me. So you have to take any serum. You can also take the vitamin C serums. You have so many in the market. So just take any serum of your choice. Now for today's video, I'm going to be using this because I want to use something that is market bought and not made by me. So if you all have to make, you all know you all can use any serum from the market. Now the instructions on this one say that you can use once per week, okay, but that's the serum directly. We are going to make a mist, so a couple of drops of this, and the remaining oil is just going to be your plain water. So we can apply this like pretty much every day. It's not gonna hurt. The only thing is, keep in mind, once you use or once you spray this face mist, use a moisturizer or a sunscreen on top of your, after spraying the mist, use some sunscreen. Okay, very simple. So you want to take your spray bottle and you want to take your serum and your water. Okay, so this is how the serum looks. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour some water in this. Okay, I knew this was gonna happen, but yeah, oh well. So I have taken water in this, and now into the water I'm gonna add in a few drops. So that's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, roughly like 10 drops of serum, and we have around 80 ml of water. Okay, and we have 80 ml of water. As you can see, the serum sits at the bottom, so you just have to shake it once to kind of mix it. So that's what we're gonna do. Just shake, and as you can see, it's all completely dissolved. It's water soluble. Also guys, remember, you need a water soluble serum, very important. Okay, this, I'm gonna wipe this water off, but yeah, that is basically your face mist. This has to stay in the fridge, like I told you all. Don't keep it outside. And yeah, this kind of makes, like, if you have acne prone skin and stuff, it's really beneficial for that. Also, if you have like normal skin and you just want to have like a glowing skin, right, you all can just take some vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serums are the best to have in your skincare routine. Again, I'm going to put this disclaimer that this is not preserved properly, so this has to stay in the fridge. This has to be in the fridge, and this can stay for up to 4 to 5 days, okay, in the fridge, continuously in the fridge. Only to spray it, you kind of take it out, again put it back in the fridge. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to learn about making facial mists from scratch, with a preservative and stuff. We have a workshop for that, which is facial mists and face, hair and body mists. Actually, I have shown how to make all these mists, so go check that out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do make this face mist, let me know in the comments. I would love to know which one you made, which serum did you use, and how are the results. Okay, and to apply, it's really simple. Just spray it on your face like that and you're good to go.